How do you keep your wits and your nerve when the market becomes a little choppier? I brought in Market Gauge Group Managing Director Michelle Snyder to help us with this. You know, Michelle, I want to start by pointing out an intriguing tweet you put out just a couple hours ago. It says, this market is like the old days in a commodities pit, volatile, fun if you're on the right side, and more importantly, when instruments get volatile and emotional, the charts are your best friend. Hashtag chart patterns, hashtag technicals. Explain then how the charts will make wild gyrations feel better.
Well, really, basically, what are charts? They're a reflection of pure price. So it tunes out automatically all the noise. You're just looking at the price movement historically. So there are two ways to look at the price. One is on the overall trend. What is the trend? Is it up? Yes. Has that changed? That's what you have to ask yourself. And the other, to help you with that answer, is more on a shorter term. So look at the price pattern over the last 2 days. Simple, look at the low. Look at the low of yesterday. Look at the low of the last couple of days. Has that been violated? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, you can take some profits, maybe leave some on because the trend hasn't changed. If the answer is no, it hasn't been violated, then just sit back and relax and enjoy the ride.
All right, make yourself a little pina colada and chill out. Hey, or
Exactly.
maybe, I don't know, depending on what states you're in, you know, we can also talk about the marijuana and stuff because these stocks, Michelle, obviously all the rage right now, and the media is now finally picking up on it. Of course, you've been a buyer for some time. I've been focused on them, especially since Election Day. I was told not to use MJ, but we already had it in the script because it's the Canadian ETF, but it's the one everyone kind of uses, up 100% this year coming into today. What do you see next for this particular trade?
Well, yes, it's up 100%. And by the way, you absolutely were correct in buying it right around Election Day because once we had the blue wave, it was obvious that that was going to have a friendlier intonation towards cannabis, and that's turned out to be true. But in terms of the price, you have to look again. Let's go historically. The trend has been down since 2018. Take a stock like Tilray. It traded at $300 in 2018, and it went down to around $5, right when you and I were looking at it at November 5th. And now it's trading up at 60. That's still really a fraction of the way up, and yet everything legislatively could change. So to me, corrections, buy opportunities with the future of, I think, still more upside in the pot stocks.
All right, Michelle, that's all the time we have, but always appreciate it. We do learn a lot, and our viewers have made a lot of money following you. Thank you very much.